morning students. In our this class we are practicing. We are going to practice the stoichiometric calculation. Some questions related to this topic, stoichiometric calculations. Calculate the amount of water in grams produced by the combustion of 16 gram methane. So that is the question we have. Now we have to write the equation for this. Methane means CH4 gas. When this CH4 gas reacts with oxygen, and what we have CO2 and H2O there as a product. CO2 and H2O as a product there. H2O as a product. Now this is the equation used in the combustion of the methane there. That is the 1 mole of methane, and in the products we have 1 mole of CO2 there, and that is the 2 moles of water there. It means when we use 1 mole of CH4, we get 2 moles of water. So meaning of 1 mole means 16 gram, and by using this 60 gram, how much water we are getting? We are getting 36 grams of the water. Now what is the question is? Calculate the amount of water in grams produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane. So meaning of the 1 mole, the meaning of the 1 mole is as similar to the 16 gram. So answer it will be, we get the 36 gram of the water by using the 16 gram of methane. That is the answer of our question which we have in this. We get the 36 gram of water there. Now in another question, what we have, how many moles of methane, how many moles of methane are required to produce 22 gram of CO2 after combustion. So this question is also based upon this given equation. We again write this equation, that is CH4 plus 2O2, then CO2 plus 2H2O in this. What we are having in this, 16 gram of CH4 is producing this. What is the molecular mass of CO2? We have 32 plus 12, 44 grams of CO2 there. It means 1 mole. So 16 gram CH4 produces the 44 gram of CO2. In question, the information is given how much methane are required to produce the 22 gram of CO2. It means just half quantity we require. It means we require 8 gram of CH4 for the production of 22 gram CO2. So that is the answer we have regarding to this. And if we have to find out this quantity into the moles, then how many moles we get? In case of moles, how many moles we have? Then 1 by 44 multiplied by 12, and that is 0.5 moles. 0.5 mole quantity we 0.5 mole quantity we have in the answer of this question. 2.2 gram of CO2 will be produced. 2.2 gram of the CO2 will be produced by 0.5 mole. 22 gram of CO2 will be produced by 0.5 mole of CO2. So this is the solution of this. We have other questions there. Now, in another question, we have what is this? Another question is see mass volume relationship. Mass volume relationship. Mass volume relationship. In this relationship we have to complete these questions, and we have question: an impure sample of sodium chloride which have the weight of 1.2 gram. It means we have equation of NaCl and silver nitrate there, and in this we get sodium nitrate and AgCl. This equation is used in this question, and 1.2 gram on treatment with excess of AgNO3 solution, 2.4 gram of silver chloride as a precipitate. So we have to find out the different quantity. What information this equation providing us? 23 plus 35.5 the molecular mass, 58.5 for this. In case of silver nitrate, there is no requirement of this. In case of AgCl, we have 108 plus 35.5. 108 plus 35.5. So the total of this is 143.5 gram there. 143.5 gram of AgCl we have there. Now the question we have to solve by using this. If you have only 2.4 gram of AgCl, then how much quantity of NaCl you require? That is the question, and we solve this question continuously.